I'm starting with my name. My name is Frank. We're in an alley and it's raining. This is the Thunder Team Light. Oh, this way. This is the Thunder Team Light. This has the OG Team base plate, which is 1 millimeter higher than the forged base plates. Hollow kingpin. It's got a regular axle. Why do they like it? It's a good damn truck. It's the best fucking truck there is. They're guaranteed for life. It's another good reason to ride them. This is a Team Thunder Light.